Hey everyone, want to use advanced features in Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to explore advanced AI video tools and create better results step by step. First, open the Luma AI website and sign in to your account. Access the AI video creation tools from your dashboard. Next, explore advanced options like detailed prompting, image to video creation, camera movement controls, and scene customization features. Now create a detailed prompt that includes your subject, environment, motion, lighting, camera angle, and visual style. Advanced prompts help Luma AI understand exactly what you want to create. Use image references when available to guide the AI and maintain better control over your video output. Next, experiment with camera movements such as zooms, tracking shots, and cinematic angles to make your videos more dynamic. Adjust available settings like aspect ratio, quality, and video length based on your project requirements. After generating your video, review the results and refine your prompts to improve motion, details, and consistency. Finally, export your finished creation and use it for professional content, marketing, storytelling, or social media projects. And that's how to use advanced features in Luma AI. By combining detailed prompts, creative controls, and smart adjustments, you can create more powerful AI-generated videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.